Today we're going to learn about how to sort data in Pandas, and we are going to use the methods sort values and sort index to sort data. Okay, so why do we need to sort data? So these are the reasons why we need to sort data. So one is to find lowest and highest values quickly, and we can make the data easier to read, and we can prepare the data for analysis, and we can group related values together. Okay, so now let's go ahead and sort data. So let me go ahead and get into IPython, and I'm going to import pandas as PD, the alias, and this is how you create a data frame. So we can see that it's now become a table. So dictionary, we are passing it into the data frame constructor, and we're just printing the df object, and now we have a table. So now let's use the sort values method to sort data. Okay, so here we are basically sorting the data frame by price, by the column price, and we say in place to modify the original data frame, which is this. So let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. Now we see that the price is now ascending. By default, Pandas sort the columns ascendingly, okay? And this is how you can make it ascending. This is how you can make it descending. So we say that the ascending is false. So now the price is descending. And we can also sort using multiple columns, and this is how you do it. So by equals the list of columns, and in place again again to modify the original data frame. And yeah, so now we are sorting the data frame using the price and then device name. And here, this is how you reset index. So let me go ahead and reset the index. So reset index, drop true. Yeah, this is the syntax. Let me go ahead and copy and paste that line of code. Now it was, before it was 201. Now it has 01. It has become 012. So we reset the index. Okay, and now let's talk about sorting data using the index. In here, we are just creating a new list of index, right? And if I do it, it has become, the index has become this. And we can now sort the index. Yeah, now it's sorted. And let me go ahead and reset the index again. Yeah, now it has become this 012. Okay, and we can also sort using column names, or we can also sort the column names. So here we are saying axis equals 1, meaning the columns, and we can say df. So now the column names are sorted alphabetically. So device ID, device name, IP address, price. Okay, so that's how you can sort values or data using the sort values method and using the sort index. Okay, so what are the key takeaways? So here, sort values method sorts based on column names. And of course, we can verify that this is a method by doing df. Oops, that's not command that I want. So df, yeah, it's a method. Same with sort index. So again, sort values is to sort the data based on the column values or column names, and sort index allow us to sort the data based on the row index. And if we say axis equals 1, we sort the data. We sort the column names. And in place equals true, meaning we modify the original data frame. And we use this reset index method believe this is a method as well, and we can verify that by doing this command. Yeah, so we can use reset index to reset the index after sorting, because when you sort the data, the index will become not sorted alphabetically. We saw that earlier. Okay, that's how you can sort data in Pandas using the methods sort values and sort index. Alright, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.